welcome to KO Tutorials. So here I'm coming up with a small tutorial on 3D modeling some game assets over here. So let's go into this file, view image file, and I'll just take this asset over here. That's a ship, a boat we can say. So we'll start up with a box over here. Now let's go to the top view over here, and I'll just rotate it, convert to editable poly. Let's select this edges and let's give some edges over here, and I'll go over here, let's select this top part, and I can select this and I'll slightly scale it in this way. Similarly, I'll again go to the top view, I'll slightly push it behind, I'll drag this over here, drag this over here, and will slightly select the whole thing and keep on pushing it down in this way. So what I have done is I'll again scale it and I'll just make it straighter over here, shuffle this a bit up over here, and let's put some more loops over here. So again I'll select this and I'll put one more loop. So I'll select this, push this up, and slowly I can just drag it down in this way. Again go into this edges and let's put some loops over here in this way. So before we do that, I'll go into this modeling, let's put one swift loop closer over here in this way, and let's put some swift loops over here. I'll add one loop here as well. So now what I'll do is I'll again select this, all the vertices, slightly we can just push this a bit out, so we can just select it, shuffle it out, and the bottom all faces will go a bit inside in this way. So now what I'll do is I'll again go over here and select this polygons. So before we select this, I'll again slightly give a bit of inset over here and click OK, and I can, if you want, I can just delete this part in this way. Select this, let's just ring it, and let's click on the polygons and let's give extrude by local normal in this way. So once it is done, so I'll just go into this. Let's just save the file once over here. We'll do the quick saving over here. All right, now what I'll do is I don't want to delete this part. I'll delete only this much of the part. So if you want, we can just keep it in this way. That's totally okay. And now ring this, control and click on the polygons, and let's extrude by local normal in this way. That's it. All right. So once it is done, I'll again go over here and I can slightly, let's go to the top view and we can just scale it in this way. Now looks much better. So if you want, I can slightly shuffle it a bit back, and let's give a modifier, that's a shell modifier to it. So I can slightly add a shell modifier to make it look a bit thicker. Yeah, looks better now. So if you need, we can select the vertices. I'll just drag it, select this, scale it, looks better, and convert to poly. So I can just convert this to editable poly if needed. Again, select the edges. I'll just ring it. Let's give a connect over here, and I'll just select this much of the part, and we can just drag this a bit down if needed. I can do that. So we can just select this and push this up. That can be done in this way. So I'll just end isolate this. I'll just save the file once again over here. Now you can just smoothen it if needed. So before we just smoothen this part, I'll again go over here and I'll add one swift loop here, one here, one here. So I can add some swift loops wherever they are required in the right manner. So now once this is done, now let's give nubs toggle over here. Yeah, looks better now, but we'll be putting something over here. So let's have to add something. So we can add some swift loops over here. All right. So let's go over here and let's take a line tool in this way. So I'll just drag it till here. So shuffle this up and let's give a bit of fillet to it. Oops. So I'll go into this and I'll just take a rectangle, looks better, drag it over here, convert to editable spline. So I'll just select this edge, select the vertices and I'll give a bit of fillet to it, enable in viewport and drag it down. So just push it in this way. Alright, so guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.